Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Object.prototype.toString. So the prototype of the have an object to returns a string representation of an object. So for that, what we need to do is create a function. So function, name it as something like dog, not dag, dog, yeah, and pass the parameter dog, and this dot name equals name, and then what I'm gonna do is dog1 equals new dog, and pass a name for that like Gabby, not Gaboo. And then what we need to do is we gonna change the function to the we can change the way to check the function, so you can understand what I'm doing. Dog dot prototype, prototype has a prototype inheritance, and to string string. So it's a function. I'm gonna name it the function to dog to string. So it's basically a trap for the toString operator in anything, especially in the object. So it should be an empty argument. I think I need to use the arrow function. That would be a better idea. So arrow function, this dot name. So what that means, what this expression means, is that whenever I use that call the function, it will return the name of that, not the object, you see. So if you remember, when I use the, let me show you, if when I use the dog to string, like dog to string, back in the function to string episode, or you can say the tutorial, wait, cut, and inside that we're gonna paste it. So wait, oh yeah, what the, okay, I'm gonna remove the L function for now. I will reverse it again, but for now I'm gonna remove it because it gives you an error now. So return this dot name. So yeah, so what I'm doing is, if you check that out, dog is not defined. Yeah, that's the really a case, man. So as you can see what inside that, but after you do this, you can't see that inside. So I specified this dog. So now what I'm gonna do is log it on a console, especially the dog1 variable, and to string it will give you the oh yeah, I need to specify that, yeah. So it will give you the name instead of this. Why? That in that way, and now if I show you something, you will recognize that what's going on. you know, you've seen this before. Native code, this is what it does. Yeah, this is what it is, because back then you can't see this, but now you can. So this is what the developers do so that you can't get into trouble. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.